Okay, so the NFP data is here. We have somewhat a higher data. The data is higher. Well, the numbers are higher. The non-farm payrolls, it was forecasted 137k and it came 228k. Those are double digits. Whereas unemployment went up from 4.1 forecasted to 4.2. The data came out to be far greater than is far stronger. The March non-farm payrolls has increased. Ultimately, more people applied for unemployment claims. This shows that the economy is slowing down. Let's see what happens next month. That's how it's looking like. Well, I can't see anybody online. I hope everybody is fine and doing great. Maybe it's the stream problem, maybe the settings, I don't know. Not quite feeling well right now for streaming, but yeah. Well, the data is pretty much bearish for gold, but I wouldn't put my hands down. Yesterday we saw that the NFP, yesterday we saw that the unemployment and ISM data came out and everything was dropping down. Gold, stock market, dollar index. If you recall it, last year everything was going up. But likewise, in just 2 months after Donald Trump took over the White House, the entire market is in a correction. Everybody is shocked. US March non-farm payrolls increased, it means that there's unemployment numbers went up. This is not good for US economy. Inflation rose up. Inflation, of course, is likely to increase because of tariffs. Now, the real question is what should I do? And the answer lies within the question: do nothing right now. Choose a side, either buy or sell side, and then wait. If you are on a sell side, then sell. If you are on a buy side, wait for the market to hold off at near a support zone, key psychological support zone, and from there buy. I'm not selling. I'm just looking for buy positions. So even if it's dropping, I would wait, because drops are really hard and really big. If there is something that I'm selling, is this market, US 30. By the way, US 30 is looking like a scalp position for intraday. Likely after this data, the market will go up, retest 41,000. You can scalp it over here, but as for now, pretty much the market is still in a correction phase. The 10% S&P 500 downward correction has likely headed towards a 20% correction in the month of March, but more likely everything will drop. I mean, I can sell this. People can sell this, but more or less on a larger time frame, everything is headed upwards, right? So this is why I'm just waiting for the price to find a support, then I'll enter or buy. I have no offense against anybody who wants to sell. It's just that I'm on a buy side. Lately I was selling, but people are not good with selling. So I don't give any sell signals anymore. I just give buy. People really suck in selling, because that's how it is. I sell, even if I'm selling, I'm not gonna show it over here. But likely, yeah. Sell happens really quickly, buy takes time, but gives you less stress. See their prices dropping. This is the area where the price dropped yesterday after the unemployment ISM, and then it found support near this range and it went up. This is the exact same area where I will look for a buy position. Was most likely, if I switch it on to a 1 hourly time frame, we can generally see that this zone, this area, last Friday I was expecting a drop, but it didn't came. It's quite disappointed, but this drop from 3167 was nearly $120 drop, significant higher. Anything which is 3-digit $100 drop is an alarming situation. Plus, take a look at VIX. VIX is nearly at 29. This is recession. If anybody is saying that there is no recession, my dear, 29 is a time bomb. Not a time, it's a nuclear bomb. 30 is too much. 25, 24 was driving people crazy. This is 30. The market opened up with a gap. And just right on Wednesday, when tariffs were announced for all the countries, now people are saying it needs to go up. It's going down. Tariff doesn't work that way. This right now, this has nothing to do with tariff. This is all COT, commitment of trader report. Price is dropping because who will buy it? All time high. So the price is dropping, forcing the buyers to enter and these areas, and likely it will launch off. But looking at Bitcoin trade was the biggest catches. Bitcoin signals were going quite well. Buy scalps, sell scalps. Long trades are profitable. Short trades were not worth it. I mean, if you are generally opening a trade, go for the big ones, right? Holding on to a trade is more profitable than short time scalps in this market, of course. And when holding on the sell, let's go back to US 30. If you have the stomach for it, you can scalp a buy. I'm on a buy. Let me show over here. You guys can buy over here and scalp till here. Nothing more than that. I'm on a buy. I shorted the market from this area. I still opening the short. I have shorts running, but at the same time I'm buying, scalping both sides. Gold is like dropping, as I said. Data is higher. NFP number is higher. Higher is bad for gold, but just like yesterday when the market was dropping, yesterday trade hit stop loss. The first trade, but likely the second trade, third and fourth trades, they went well. And I came online, I streamed for like 5-10 minutes, but then I went off because I had an extremely bad headache. But signal was already forward in the group and guys made profit. And right before the NFP, I forward the message to everybody in the premium group that just like yesterday, be prepared. Likely you're gonna have a similar scenario like yesterday. If the numbers are higher, the likely the market will continue to dip harder than yesterday. So be prepared for whatever is coming. Hey, what's up, Azad? Hey, what's up, man? Cheeky, what's up, man? Yeah, I got your message, but didn't have the time to text you because I was busy with some stuff at home. So yeah, the market is really choppy right now. It's dangerous. It's a nightmare for new traders. It's going crazy again. Just like yesterday, similar situation. I would wait for 1 hourly closer before opening a buy because this is crazy. Scalpers can buy this, but anybody who wants a clear direction should wait. I'm waiting myself because I know a buy when I see one. Likely this candle has the potential to drop down way further than yesterday, and that's how it is. Market is disappointing a lot of people, a lot of young folks, they don't know what to do. That's how it is. Wait for support. Patience will pay off really good today. Big time. So you just have to worry about your entry. You only have to do it right one time. And I'm sitting over here with my mic open. And definitely as soon as I see a buy setup, I will inform you guys. I'm having a bit of problem with reading text messages because there is a delay in the streaming software. It's not showing me the chat, so I have to open up the browser to read your messages. And yeah, guys, one more thing, please be aware, a lot of people are messaging individuals on Telegram and on my Discord community Discord page pretending to be ProWolfTrader me and asking people for money and money management, account management, all that bullshit. Please stay away from that. Even they made fake pages, so please be aware of these scammers. Don't send them money, don't be fooled, don't get scammed. Please be careful. I will never personally message anybody on any social media platform, but I will reply. If you follow through the given link and message me, of course I will reply whenever I am free. Lately, I'm receiving a lot of messages. I mean, look at the audacity of these people. They make fake IDs of my username and they message me. I mean, they're pretending to be ProWolfTrader and they're messaging me. They have so much gut. Where do these people come from, man? Okay, let's leave them because they're the losers. They will never open up a book or educate themselves. They rather scam people. They're fucking losers. Okay, so the price of gold is dropping just like I said. VIX is going up. You see VIX going down? No, not even a bit. And when VIX goes up, the stock market goes down. Anyways, this buy trade is looking smooth. Yeah, we can mark it up over here, but this is US 30. Buy trade is really looking good. I took a trade over here. I got the trade from here, this zone. Currently I'm on a sell from top and several these places, but these are premium signals, so I'm not gonna share my premium signal entries. It's only for those people who subscribe it. But surely I will try to help people out because a lot of people are blowing up their account, losing money. They don't know what to do. So first entry is on US 30. This is an intraday scalp, probably scalp till 40-41. Gold, you have to wait. Oh, why can't I sell it? Gold, look, is dropping down. No, I'm not selling it. You can sell it, I'm not selling it. I'm gonna wait for it because when the buy comes, it's gonna push the market really hard. Because after every unemployment ISM jolts, the market goes up. And I'm not just saying this is backed up by previous historical data. Look at ADP, ISM services, unemployment claim, PMI. Last month NFP, look at it. Last month NFP, the market dropped down. And on Monday open it went down, but then immediately went back up. Even before that, FOMC, post FOMC, CPI, this is January NFP. Even on the January NFP, after the NFP on Monday, when the market opened, probably in the New York session, the market went up again. And look at this. Just wait for it. Wait for the New York session. You can sell it. I'm not selling it, I'm just waiting for it. Probably at the end of the New York session, somewhere around the zone, I will buy the bottom, because the ongoing geopolitical situation between Yemen and Iran likely will push the gold price up, and this is just the start of the April month, start of this month, and we have a long way to go, a really long way to go. This is just the start of it. So this is how it is. Oh, why you're not selling? No, I said I made up my mind. If I wanted to sell, I would have sold over here. What if I am in a sell? I'm not telling you, but definitely not telling. Gonna tell on the live stream, because people fuck up. I know what I'm doing, especially for those individuals who are watching the live stream. For people watching on YouTube, buy is the only right way for you guys. Because I know I will tell you guys to sell and you will fuck up. Because I know you guys fuck up a lot. Even I was looking at the statistics, majority of the people who take their trades on live stream, buy trades go well, and short trades they don't know. Because the market will immediately, rebound, retrace back up, and they will just keep on waiting for me to tell them to take profits on the short. Whereas I always say take profit wherever you see a rejection, and a push up will happen so fast that just like this, that they will just keep on staring the charts. Buy trade is running good. Let's keep it this way. Gold I will inform, but make money wherever you see money. Gold is dropping again to 3070 again. Same level. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Let's go, baby, let's go. Gold, just like I said, is dropping. The key area is this zone. This is the key zone. If this breaks, then the support, it will look for a support at 3000, but definitely gold price is looking. There are several things, FOMC members are talking about rate hike. But now the inflation is rising back up, so I mean, how long will they cut the rate? They cannot cut it forever. They have to either pause or hike at some point. But I know that hike will take time, but at least they can start talking about it right now, this year. If they put the hike on the table again, the gold prices might start declining, but we never know, right? So this is why we follow the data, we follow everybody. Anyways, buy scalp on US30 looks like promising. Yep. Look at this VIX. Again, I'm saying, look at VIX. Look at the stock market. Everything is bloody red. What do you expect? What do you expect? Magnificent Seven, Microsoft, Google, Apple, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Amazon. Bloody red. Look at this shit. One Solana is $115. Damn. I mean, this is the time you buy. I mean spot. Buy everything on a spot and leave it for a year. This is how generational wealth is created in a time like this, in a market like this. Let's just wait for the gold and it's gonna go up. Okay, so 1 hour candle is up, possibly looking like a rejection downwards. Can feel the pain. Let's head back to US 30. US 30 is not disappointing, it is surely going up. Will give us the profits for the day. That's how it's gonna be. If you're not making money on this live stream, God knows what you're doing, baby. Today I will just talk about two trades. First trade is US 30. Second trade is gold. Gold trade is coming. Buy, I mean. Because gold always goes up. A lot of people are not even doing anything. They don't have any trades open. I'm talking about the fellow YouTubers. Hashtag YouTubers. Yeah. Stop sending me the damn stream links, man. This goes up. It's going up. I think this is it. This is it. 3080. Nah, I'll wait. Yeah, I'll wait. Why? Because of VIX. Stock market will open, right? Stock market will open exactly after 28, what you said, 32 minutes, 22 minutes. So we have to hold on till then. Well, it looks like a buy, but I'm not buying this shit. Because we have 15 minutes left for the stock market to open up, right? In short, I'm not buying this shit. But yeah, I'm definitely on a buy on US 30. If this thing touches 30.88 and it starts falling again, this is a sign of a lower low, lower high and lower low. This is what I'm expecting the price to do. It does look like it's gonna go up, but on a higher time frame, yeah, I know that, given that February NFP and January NFP afterwards, the price went up, but we still have a long way go next for a what do you say, proper retracement. But if it happens right now, look at this 1 hourly formation, by the way. This was up and it went down, right? And now it's somewhere in between, this 4 hourly. This 4 hourly I'm waiting for this 4 hourly to close, then I'll possibly look like. But there is a saying, this should go down but it's going up, right? So you buy, right? This is what you do in every circumstances, you buy. But for a big buy, big possible scalp buy, you wait for possible clues. Right now, first clue we will get is from when stock market opens. Second clue you gonna get is when London is gonna close. And by then we will have a proper understanding of where the price wants to go. It will go up, but how it will go up, nobody knows. So rather than getting trapped in a bull trap, you wait. On other hand, look at VIX, dangerous. If the stock market opens up with a gap, everything is double figure red, more red than just like yesterday. Dollar index, gold, stock market, everything will be down. Come on, guys, come on, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. This thing is definitely going down. Don't get fooled by it. Yep, it's going down. Don't be fooled. And here's the rub. See, this is what I was talking about. I don't buy this shit. I mean by this that this so probably was worth it. Yup, it's going down, baby, it's going down. and the price is going down, just as I said earlier on that we have to wait. US stock market opened up, and looking to forward to it. Let's see what happens. Gold is in a sell off mood. If 30-50 level holds on, good. If it doesn't, then this thing is going way down. 2986 is possible. Yes, it is possible. And just like I said earlier on, I'm not selling. I made up my mind, I'm not selling. We possible rejection forming up at this area. Let's see. See. Let's see. Well, here we are. I think this level is holding off. If this level holds off, then definitely we are buying. But I'll probably wait for this 1 hourly candle to close, then I will then buy. Not now. This area is really good for buying. Only if this holds off. Only if this holds off. Please like, subscribe and share the channel. And please be careful, there are a lot of scammers out there. Don't get scammed. Especially if a guy named ProWolfTrader, he's messaging you, that's not me, I will never message you. Be careful. Gold currently at 30.75 and is holding off, possibly seeing a rejection. Let's go, baby, let's go. Like, subscribe and share the channel. ProWolfTrader 7th batch is starting from 11th April. Don't forget to check the details out on free Telegram page. The link is in the bio, baby. Like, subscribe and share the channel, baby. Waiting for a possible rejection. Then we are entering a buy on gold. Just waiting for the 1 hourly closure. This is either a bull trap or a bear trap. But definitely we're gonna make large profits today. Already on a US 30 trade on a buy over there. Data was too much. I mean, the NFP numbers came out much higher, which is showing that the US economy is slowing down. Merely the fact that price dropped down and is retesting yesterday low. Yesterday, this is the range, holding on to this range. I don't want to be too early in the buy, so waiting for a possible rejection, retesting. If it holds 30-50 range, then bravo. Then we enter a buy. Waiting for rejection. Let's go. Here we are again near the 3050 level. Currently the price is at 3067, retesting 3050 area. If price breaks the 3054, then it will look for a support near 3000. If price is able to reject the downward correction trend and buyers enter exactly the same area it entered yesterday, then we are looking for all-time high, new high today. Yes, don't be fooled by it. Gold always tends to make all-time high after NFP, and it will of course do that today. Thirty 64, 30 65, 30 64, 30 65 is still there, hanging over there. We have 5 minutes left for the 1 hourly closure. Still waiting for. I hope it's hold off. It's hold this area. A really strong buy momentum will come, enter over here. It will take some time, an hour or two, but definitely looking forward to it. Sell is an option, but peace of mind is in the buy. I've been shorting the gold, but when you expect it to drop down, it doesn't. But on a day like Thursday and Friday, it always drops, and then it goes back up as if it never came back down. It will go and touch all-time high. Okay, so we are there. We are at 30-50 area. Let's see if this range holds on. If this range holds on, then we buy. If it doesn't, we'll buy on Monday. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Let's see. Now the real question will come over here. Will you buy at 30-50 or you will let it go? Because you need balls to buy at this area. Now most likely the logical answer would be wait for the rejection. Why? Because if it further declines, it is heading towards 3000. Okay. But if it holds on somewhere in between and start pushing up, then definitely, you would be like, oh shit. But right now, I would say do nothing and just observe the price. Somebody was on a sell good, but in a market like this, sell doesn't come, and when it comes like this. Somebody take it from somebody who shorts the market, but gets taken out, then goes on a long, and everything is fine. But when the market is expected to drop, it doesn't drop. And in a situation like this, when it should go up further on, why? Because look at tariff. Why the fuck? I mean, this is here the trade psychology comes. Tariffs announced on Wednesday. All the retailers started buying gold, and then gold started dropping. And you think the market won't manipulate you? The retailers were buying near all-time high, and the prices started to drop down. This is where the institutions and the smart money will come in. Institutions will drop the price at a level where they deem fit that they would buy back everything again. They will short sell the market. This is the understanding people cannot rely on. Even I was on a buy. Listen, this was yesterday. This is yesterday during London session. Had a stop loss. Waited. A New York session came. Unemployment data, along with ISM services PMI went up back up again. Now the numbers are really bad. Why? Because unemployment is up. Unemployment rate is up, and digits are double. I mean, yeah, next month they will be revised, but data are expected to. Data is what do you say? Data is higher, which is bearish for gold, but likely everything will vanish, disappear. like your any other normal problem in your life. You won't see it leave. Anyways, possible rejection building up at this area. You need balls to buy in a price like this. I'm entering a buy. I'm entering a buy. I did actually at 51, and I will just let this run. And my stop loss is $10 away. $10 away. If the stop loss hits, I won't lose more than this, right? That's how the agenda is. I won't lose more than this. And if I see a rejection popping up again, I might enter a buy again, because you will never get it right in the first trade. You have to try. If, for example, I'm trying to get in early, so when I'm early, I will never get it right in the first trade. So it might take 2 trades or 3 trades. But if I wait, let's just say 15 minutes, I will get a confirmation, but not a nice price. It might go up somewhere above 30, 60, but and the trade will be profitable, but not a nice price. Right now it's risky, but highly rewarding. A back up there, it will surely be less risky, but not a nice price. This is a nice area to get in a buy. Everybody has their own way of doing it. I just share mine.